So you know that I've been trading US 30 for about 6, 7 months, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. And it's been working really, really good. As a matter of fact, just today I was able to make 5 grand, well, 4.5 grand in a matter of like 30 minutes or so trading with US 30. Well, I also decided that I was gonna have an actual auto trader that will place trades on US 30. The problem with an auto trader is that it's not managed directly by a human being. When you use an auto trader, you can't really choose certain things such as the opening time and so on. But what if I told you that I created an indicator that it will tell you exactly at the moment that the market is about to spike or to drop so that you can take advantage of it and start making $1,000 per day? Well, that's what we're going to discuss in this specific video. So let's begin. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a brand new indicator that I developed, that I created in order for you to start using it and start making money. I literally started using it today. So that's what we're going to talk about. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex, crypto, or any type of making money online, hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. First thing that I want to tell you, look, trading itself is risky. Like the overall business is risky. If you don't want to take risks to make money, this business is not for you. You got to make sure that you understand that we don't make any guarantees like anywhere, not this YouTube channel, not the brokers, not the prop firms. Nobody does guarantees. And I'm not giving you a guarantee either. Okay, this application is a tool to help you decide when to trade, but by far is not financial advice, trading advice, or anything, investment advice or anything. That being said, let's begin. So what is this app exactly? Well, this application is actually an indicator that will tell you when you could actually enter, or you can enter a position and make money based on drops and jumps from the market. We can actually see a few examples here and there, but this application will only work at market opens. Market opens. Let me be clear. Market opens. The longer the time frame, the more accurate it will be. I would suggest you can do 5 minutes, or you can do 15. Oh shoot. Or you can do 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and explain. At the moment that you are going to place a position, you're going to get an alert. It's actually going to give you a sound, and it's actually going to give you an arrow, just like this one right here. It says, oh, it's not showing the name. All right, so it was showing the name before, but it will say BLW US 30 indicator. Okay, that's the name of the indicator. So all you have to do is wait for a blue arrow that is going to tell you to buy, or a red arrow that it will tell you to sell. Take a look at this buy that you see right here from April 9th. Let's go ahead and go to April 1st. Where is it? There you go. April 1st. Let me just zoom in. This is the first trade of April 1st. This one right here. Take a look. This is April 2nd, actually. April 1st, there was no trade. Take a look at the buy. Boom, all the way, okay? I would have put my stop loss somewhere below this line though. Let's see this one. This is April 3rd. Take a look at the huge drop. Boom. April 7th, because of the weekend, I think. Meh. It's profitable, but not as profitable. We got April 8th. Take a look. Take a look at April 9th. Boom, all the way up. April 14, we got a small jump and then a drop. Probably this was a loss. Then we have a win right here, at least 2-1. We have a small loss right here. We have a huge win right here. We have a nice win right here. And right here, we have a loss. I can't really see the arrow. But this is yesterday's. Today, we had no trade. Right here, there's no trade. Now, what does the indicator do? It will basically analyze when there's going to be a movement into a direction at the New York market opens. What happens with US 30 is that it will always do a big movement at the New York market opens. So what the indicator will do is try to identify where that direction is going to go. So let's say you're trading like normally a New York session and you get an indicator saying boom, buy, then there's a huge possibility that the price will actually start spiking. You can see that out of the like 10 trades that you saw, 2 of them were losses, maybe 3. Winning 7 trades of 3 to 1 against 3 losses, minimum, because there were 5 to 1s, but 3 to 1 times 7, that's 21. Minus the 3 losses, that's an 18 on risk reward ratio. So that basically means that I'm not sure how much you're risking. We're going to talk about it right now, but we could easily be talking about an $18,000 month. So how does that sound? You do the math, right? So if you're risking $500, that is $9,000. If you're risking $2,000, that's $36,000 and so on. So the point, and I'm assuming that you're going 3 to 1 because you could go 5 to 1 and close partials and so on. And you can turn those 18 risk reward ratio easily in like 25, maybe 30. Okay. So yeah, this is what the indicator is. Now, before I tell you a little bit more, I want you to be smart about the prop firm that you're going to be choosing. I know like at least 50% of the followers that I have in this YouTube channel are using prop firms. Some of you are using your real account. This probably isn't for you, but if you're using a prop firm or you're looking forward to use a prop firm or a funded account, basically the best one will be this one right here called Ola Prime. Ola Prime is a funded company that basically sells bigger accounts for small amounts of money. So for instance, you could actually buy this one right here, One Step Prime, for $25,000 for as low as $275. If you have a little bit more of money to invest, let's say $400, you can buy a $50,000 account. And if you want a huge account to trade with, then you can invest around $1,500 and you'll get $300,000 funded account. As long as you actually reach a 10% balance increase and you don't go below 3% in one day or below 6% overall, you're good to go. And something that you have to keep in mind is that you're going to be able to withdraw as much as 95%. So if you make 30 grand, you'll be able to withdraw 95% of that amount. Does that make sense? So I'm going to have the link to it in the description of this video. Definitely the best prop firm right now in 2025. Go ahead and check it out in the description of this video. Now, we already back tested, like literally right now live, our profitability, like how many trades you won during the month. Let's go ahead and do the math, assuming that you bought at least a $100,000 account. That would be what, like $600? Yeah, $600. Because if you buy the 2 steps, it's $600. So buying the $600 account, let's try to analyze what would be the profitability, at least based on the 30-minute candlesticks. Let's do it that way. So if you go right here, the stop loss should be somewhere around this area, right? So this is easily a 3 to 1. So we got 3. Then this one right here, it's probably a 1 to 1 because then he retracted to break even. We could say it's a 1 to 1. This one right here is a loss. According to what I see, no, it could easily be a 3 to 1 too. Like take a look at the drop right here. Then he retracted, but I mean 3 to 1, it's safe to say it is. This one here, it was a 1 to 1 and then it retracted. So I would say that is a loss. This one right here, it's clearly a 5 to 1. I'm not going to go more than 5 to 1 because I always go 5 to 1. So I'm just going to say it was a 5 to 1. Here we have like a 1 to 1. I would take this as a loss. The other one seems a little bit higher. So I would say that's a 2 to 1. 1 to 1 is fine. This one right here, I would take it as a loss, even though it retracted and then it jumped back up. Nah, it's a 1 to 1. Let's be fair. This one right here is a 5 to 1. No questions asked. This one right here easily is a 3 to 1. I'm being like super, this is a loss, this one right here. And that's it, right? Out of the month, we could easily say it's a 19. So 19, if you're going to be trading with this indicator, you can risk 1% per day, per trade, because you're going to place only one trade. So if you risk 1%, that's $1,000. That tells you that every 3 to 1 is going to be 3,000. Every 2 to 1 is going to be 2,000. Every 5 to 1 is going to be 5,000. This right here is times $1,000. That's $19,000. How many trading days do we have in the month? Monday to Friday. We got 4, 9, 14, 19 up until the 25th. 19 days of trading. In 19 days, you could easily make $19,000. Easy, right? Can you make more than that as an average? Yeah, you can make a lot more as long as you risk. For instance, the 19 times, if you're risking with $300,000 account, that's $3,000. That's a $57,000 in less than a month, because the month, yeah, it's finished today, but there were some days where no signals was sent. The question is, can you make $1,000 a day? You can make more than that, but the answer is yes. Now the important question, how can you get it? Well, it's actually easy. I don't have a website for it. I didn't want to build it because look, it's just a tool. I'm just going to give it to you lifetime. Okay. This is not going to be a monthly fee or anything like that. This is going to be lifetime. And basically what you got to do is go to the link. I'm going to have it in the description of this video. And this is the website you're going to find. I know it's pretty basic, but what you need to understand is what it is. These are some examples of the actual profits that the signals made last April 28th and 27. So it says, it will tell, it's called BLW US 30 indicator. It will tell people when to trade. Basically, it's an MT4 indicator that tells people when to trade US 30 in 5 and 50-minute charts. I think I'm going to change this to 30 minutes. It's more accurate. It is extremely accurate and profitable. No guarantees are made. Trading is risky. And then here we have the other products that I have, Master App in the Signals group. And then it says 297 one-time purchase, 100% automated signals, powerful and accurate US 30 signals, easy to install, and is a lifetime access. How much is it? 297. One-time fee for a lifetime. So I'm gonna have the link to it in the description of this video. Check it out. You'll be surprised and hopefully you can make a lot of money. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you have any questions, comments to share, you can always put them in the comment section. Smash the like and be subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one.